Hey guys, welcome back to Lenovo Built Automotive Solutions. So today I just want to go through this program I use to connect to this Mini Roadster. It is the only program I found that actually connects to the car. Other ones say that it can't establish a link with the ECU. So this is called Delphi. I think it's like Delphi Technologies, and basically it works for this VCI scanner right here. And yeah, I got it paired with Autocom, but Autocom wasn't connecting to the car, so I bought this Delphi program and it did connect. And basically you can like connect to any car right here, go through all of these components of the car, scan them. I'm gonna do a whole system scan, and it's called a intelligent system scan. You can just click that right there and it takes you here. Select all of the modules or computers that you want to scan and click scan. Now it says ignition on, but right now I have the engine running. I don't think it really matters, but if you were to program onto the ECU, I would recommend turning the car off. And it does take a while. It's around like maybe 5 minutes. The longest thing to scan is the multifunction. Yeah, we'll just see what comes up here. Okay, and that's it with the system scan. As you can see, it did find some codes here, and I do know what some of them are. This one right here, and you can see right here it shows that icon right there, which just means that it can't see if the convertible roof is open or closed, and there's a sensor that we have to work with to get that fixed. You can just go back here, check through all of these computers. Multifunction, I think it has a FRM module and a JBE. So footwell module right here, just random codes right there from battery being low. Control circuit relay, that's missing relay for the headlight washers. And to erase all the codes, you just click right there, erase all the fault codes, and that takes a minute as well. So as you can see, it finished clearing the codes, and there was 2 codes that came back in the climate. Again, something with the GBE box. It was replaced after the car was flooded, so it makes sense for it to have some fault codes on there. Basically, yeah, that's it. And you can go back here. Yeah, and then you can go into each of the systems. Right here you have the engine, pick the engine and go into that. We'll do climate just to show what codes they have there. Click right there, the little check engine looking thing right there, and connect to that system. And this is a 2017 version of the program. I chose the older program because I've seen that these connect to BMW easier, and I think the older ones just have like less options for cars, but it's pretty much the same program. Yeah, so right here you could see some GBE codes. Convertible top, that's the sensor I was talking about, and wiper speed, that's the relay that's missing. And those I'm not really sure about. Those are the 2 that keep coming back. It says missing receiver. I'll have to look up what those actually mean. Right here you can check real-time data. There isn't much to check though with the climate. And this function right here is just a bunch of tests that you can do in this system. So for example, you can do function check all LEDs. That's a pretty cool one, and that just checks all of the lights on the dash. For some reason didn't. Oh yeah, you can see right there. This one just checks the climate area, so all of those work. Turn that off, and you can do the same thing for checking the rear window heating, LCD light, yeah, 50%. So that just turns on that screen right there. And yeah, you can just go through all of those and have those kind of functions in every system. It just depends on what the vehicle can actually do. Multifunction right here, you can go into battery management, central body, chassis, infotainment, and service correction. Infotainment, you can go to radio, amplifier, mini information display if you have that, which I don't. Chassis, central body, footwell module that controls all the lights. GBE, that's the fuse box located on the passenger side. And convertible top control module, that's for the convertible that have the motor operated opening and closing, and I don't have that, so basically I can just go into these 2. Junction box right there, you can go into that. And in the other systems, you can check for any fault codes. Right now it's not showing any. Real-time data, again, not much you can do with the fuse box, but okay, right here we have some tests that we can perform. Range sensor initialization, just basically initializes the range sensor. You gotta have the windshield dry and that kind of stuff to actually do that. Right here, something pretty cool we can do is, where is it? should be like a self-test, but basically right here you can check any system that has like all the lights and central locking, that type of stuff. Anyways, that's basically what this program is. It's the only one that connects to BMW and Mini, and yeah, I really recommend getting it. In the next video I'll show you Autocom, and I'll check a different car with that one because it doesn't really connect to this one, as I said before. And until next time, bye.